The financial world is moving fast today, and you need to know exactly what is happening right now. The US stock market, which has been on a relentless rally for weeks, finally hit a wall. The S&P 500 slipped around 0.5%, the Nasdaq dropped close to 1%, and the Dow fell modestly. Big tech names were the hardest hit. Nvidia slid nearly 3% and Amazon lost almost the same. Why? Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell issued a sharp warning. US equities may be highly valued. In other words, Wall Street may be flying too close to the sun. Meanwhile, the crypto market faced its own storm. Just yesterday, we saw one of the biggest liquidation events of the year, with over $1.7 billion wiped out in futures contracts. Bitcoin briefly dipped under pressure, but is now stabilizing between $111,000 and $113,000. Ethereum is recovering slightly, and XRP is showing surprising strength, bouncing back nearly 2% from its lows. The contrast between these two markets couldn't be sharper. Stocks are pulling back as investors question valuations. Crypto, despite massive volatility, is showing signs of resilience. And that's not all. Institutional adoption continues to creep into the crypto space. Morgan Stanley just announced a partnership with Zero Hash to enable crypto trading on its e-trade platform. This move alone could open the doors for millions of mainstream investors to get direct exposure to digital assets. The timing is incredible. While traditional markets are wobbling, the infrastructure for crypto adoption is quietly being built out. So what does this mean for you? Watch the key signals. First, any fresh data on jobs or inflation could rattle both Wall Street and crypto. Second, tech earnings will play a major role in whether the stock market bounces back or slides further. And third, regulatory developments, like the SEC's innovation exemption or new ETF approvals, could add rocket fuel to the next crypto rally. Right now, crypto looks bruised but not broken. If anything, this shakeout could set the stage for the next big wave, especially for assets like Bitcoin and XRP that are sitting at the center of institutional adoption. Stay sharp. What is happening now isn't just noise. It could be the turning point where the crypto market begins to decouple from traditional stocks. The question is, are you ready to catch the move? The markets are moving fast. Stocks just pulled back after Jerome Powell's warning on valuations, while crypto is bouncing back after one of the biggest liquidation events of the year. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are stabilizing, and institutional adoption is heating up with Morgan Stanley stepping into crypto trading. Is this the start of a new decoupling between stocks and crypto? Watch this urgent update to see what's really happening.